Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Hyundai Santa Fe key fob battery. First, gather your essential tools for this simple task. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in, which will help prevent losing any small parts. This preparation makes the process smooth and easy. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually near where the emergency key slides out. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist or prying motion, the two halves of the key fob should separate. Be careful not to use too much force to avoid damaging the plastic casing. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to note which way the positive or plus side is facing. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. It should fit snugly. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing. Press them together firmly until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Finally, test all the functions of your key fob, like locking and unlocking the doors, to ensure everything is working correctly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.